In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save in high resolution in Adobe Photoshop, whether you're preparing your image for a professional print or exporting it for web and social media. A lot of people think saving high resolution is just about clicking Save As, but there are a few very important settings you need to check first to make sure your image stays sharp and high quality. So I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about saving high-resolution images for print, because this is where quality really matters. If you're designing a poster, magazine page, brochure, or anything that will be physically printed, you need to make sure your resolution is set correctly before you export. Start by going to the top menu and clicking on Image, then choose Image Size. This is the most important step. Inside the image size window, look at the resolution field. For professional printing in the US and most countries, the standard is 300 pixels per inch, also called 300 ppi. If your resolution is lower than 300, change it to 300. Now pay attention to the resample option. If you are increasing the resolution and you want Photoshop to add pixels to make the image larger, keep resample turned on. But if you already designed your image at the correct size and resolution, you can turn resample off to avoid altering the original pixel data. Also make sure your width and height are large enough for your print size. For example, an 8 by 10 inch print at 300 ppi should have enough total pixels to support that size without stretching. Once your resolution is correctly set, click OK. Now it's time to save in a high-quality format. Go to File, then choose Save As. For print, the best format is TIFF because it preserves maximum quality and is widely used in professional print production. Simply choose TIFF from the Format dropdown and click Save. If you need a smaller file size, you can also choose JPEG, but when saving as JPEG, make sure you set the quality slider to 12, which is maximum quality. Under Format options, select Baseline Standard. This ensures you're saving the highest quality version of that JPEG file. You can also use PNG if needed, especially if your design includes sharp graphics or transparency, but for professional printing, TIFF is generally the safest choice. Now let's talk about saving high-quality images for web or social media. This process is slightly different because online platforms care more about pixel dimensions than DPI. For web use, you don't need 300 ppi. Typically, 72 to 144 ppi is perfectly fine. Instead of using Save As, go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. This gives you better control over optimization. In the Export window, select JPEG if you're exporting a photo. Set the quality between 90 and 100 to maintain strong detail while keeping the file size reasonable. If your image includes text, logos, or sharp graphic elements, choose PNG instead, because PNG keeps edges crisp without compression artifacts. Also check your image dimensions in pixels. For example, Instagram posts often work well at 1080 by 1080 pixels, while YouTube thumbnails use 1280 by 720 pixels. Remember, online platforms resize based on pixel dimensions, not DPI. Once everything looks good, click Export, choose your location, and your high-quality image is ready to go. So to quickly recap, for print, set your resolution to 300 ppi and image size and save as TIFF or maximum quality JPEG. For web and social media, use Export As. Focus on pixel dimensions and choose high-quality JPEG or PNG depending on your design. And that's it. That's exactly how to save in high resolution in Adobe Photoshop the right way for both print and digital use. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.